So just taking a look at VECHAIN then on the daily time frame, you can see, as I said in yesterday's video, we came down and obviously back tested this previous resistance at the top of this range high as support. But then I did say if we rolled back inside of this level of previous level of resistance as support back into potentially resistance again, you can see obviously recently VECHAIN has been on an absolute tear. It's getting quite parabolic, and usually when this happens you do end up having quite a significant sell-off afterwards. I said in my previous videos that my target to the downside would be coming and looking at retesting 0.23 Fibonacci level at 2.7 cents. You can see obviously I've got my bear market Fibonacci pulled in from the bull market high to the current low of this bear market, and you can see this Fibonacci level has been respected previously. We had this nice bounce to the upside, followed by, you know, back test, and then another bounce and another back test before continuation. Obviously getting a bit overextended up here at around that 0.38-ish area, as you can quite clearly see. But it's pretty obvious to me that, you know, we were going to have a decent sell-off considering the amount of parabolic nature of the move that we've had for VECHAIN here going up. So obviously with Bitcoin selling off about, what was it, 4 days ago now, we came down, we made a wick low, we got a bounce, and then look, coming down and retesting that wick low today, as you can see, currently at that support right now. And if we do see a continuation and another roll like this, you can see this area here, which was a previous level of support, is obviously the next point of call if we do continue to see a sell-off in the markets for altcoins at around 2.7 cents, as I said, as a good support for VECHAIN, currently sitting at just under 3 cents today. I do think that this is a crypto that's going to do well long term. It's something that I bought in the last bull market and did very well on, and I do think it's probably going to do well in the next bull market as well. Just one of those larger cap altcoins that may not be very flashy or interesting, but it does do well, and most cryptos do tend to do well in bull markets when they're this well established as well. So it will be interesting to see what happens next with it. Obviously last time it had a, what was it, 100x move or something even crazier than that. Is it 300x to the old, from this low to this all-time high? I'm not saying anyone really bought down here, obviously some people did, but my goodness me, that is quite the move over the course of around a year or so there. But you can see here in this local area, VECHAIN, it's doing absolutely fine, isn't it? It's just having a back test here, and I do think probably coming down, back testing and continuing like this is probably going to be the next likely outcome for VECHAIN going forward. So